So, hola estudiantes. So, we're going to learn the past time of regular verbs, right? The predicate of regular verb. So, we're going to start with the conjugation AR, right? So, tomar, por ejemplo, el verbo tomar. So, just remember how to conjugate it, right? We take the sting of the verb and then we change the root, right? So the ending of the verb in the past tense for verbs that end in AR are A. Tomé, yo tomé, tú tomaste, él, ella tomó, nosotros, nosotras tomamos, vosotros, vosotras tomasteis, ellos, ellas, ustedes tomaron. So, tilde or apostrophe in the first person, tomé, and the third person, tomó. Okay? So this is how we conjugate regular verbs that ends AR verbs in the past tense. So, tomé el autobús al supermercado esta mañana. So, I took the bus to the supermarket this morning. Elena tomó un refresco en la cena anoche. Los estudiantes tomaron un examen ayer. So the students took an exam yesterday. So the first person plural or nosotros forms of AR verbs is the same in the present as is in the past tense. This does not normally cause confusion since the context, right? We know if the sentence is in the present or in the past, right? So, por ejemplo, tomamos el autobús al centro todos los días. So we take the bus to downtowns every day. So you know that this sentence is in the present tense because every day, right? The second sentence, tomamos el autobús a la escuela ayer. Keyword, ayer, yesterday, right? So you know that the second sentence is in the past tense. Okay, so we took the bus to school yesterday. The conjugation is the same, tomamos in the first sentence and tomamos in the second sentence, but the context of the sentence will tell you if the sentence is in the present or is in the past. Now, the conjugation for regular AR verbs is as follows, right? Like comer is to eat, and this is how we conjugate the past tense of the verb to eat. So, yo comí, tú comiste, él, ella comió, nosotros, nosotras comimos, vosotros, vosotras comisteis, ellos, ellas, ustedes comieron. Tildes en la I, right, de la primera persona and de tercera persona, first person and third person. Okay? So, comí los frijoles envueltos en una tortilla. Comimos en la cafetería de la universidad. Juan comió en casa de sus abuelos. The conjugation of regular ir verbs. Okay, el verbo vivir, to live, is we start with the sting of the verb, and the ending is yo viví, tú viviste, él, ella, usted vivió, nosotros, nosotras vivimos, vosotros, vosotras vivisteis, ellos, ellas, ustedes vivieron. So, tilde again in the first person and in the third person. So, you need to notice that the ir verb conjugation is exactly like the verbs conjugation. Okay? So, viví en Perú por 3 años. ¿Viviste en Guatemala alguna vez? Mis abuelos vivieron en Florida toda su vida. So, the first person of plural nosotras form of ir verb is with AR verbs in this, when it's in the send, right? Sentence, again, so here is a context, right? So, vivimos en Nueva York ahora. So, we live in New York now. Present tense, right? Vivimos en Puerto Rico el año pasado, right? So, we live in Puerto Rico last year. That will tell you that it's a past tense sentence because of last year. So, this slide is exactly as the sample that I gave you with the AR verb, right? That the sentence will tell you the context of the sentence, even though the verb is the same in the present as is in the past. It will tell you if the sentence is either in the present tense or the past tense. So we have some verbs that end in car, gar, and sar, right? Por ejemplo, buscar. So buscar is conjugated as follows. So yo busqué, buscaste, buscó, buscamos, buscasteis, and buscaron. So la C cambia a Q, Q-U in the first person, okay? So busqué el programa en la tele. Otros verbos en este tipo, right? Other verbs in these types are explicar. Le expliqué el problema a la policía. Practicar. Practiqué el partido. Practiqué el piano esta mañana. Tocar, right? Toqué el agua con el dedo del pie. Verbos que terminan en gar, por ejemplo, llegar, to arrive, right? La G cambia a G-U in the first person. Llegué, llegaste, llegó, llegamos, llegasteis, and llegaron. Llegué muy contento hoy. So all the verbs in these types are jugar. Yo jugué al béisbol con mis amigos. Pagar. Pagué la cuenta con la tarjeta de crédito. The other verb is that ends in sar, like almorzar. La Z cambia a C. Almorcé, almorzaste, almorzó, almorzamos, almorzasteis, and almorzaron. So, almorcé poco hoy. Other verbs in these types are empezar, empecé a estudiar, abrazar, abracé a toda mi familia al volver de mi viaje, rezar, to pray, right? Recé con mi familia antes de comer. All right? So, just please review the conjugation and review the slides. And then we're going to talk about the criteria, all right? So you have any questions, whatsoever, you know how to contact me, okay? Thank you.